Hello and welcome back with another video. Today we'll be covering Yosemite National Park. I'll head over there and I'm about to drive 3 hours southeast from where I live. It's gonna be my first time going to Yosemite and I did some research. Yeah, really excited, so let's go. When you're driving to Yosemite, you'll see this on the way. It's called Woods Creek. So after a 3 hours and a half drive, I finally made it here to Yosemite. And once you get to Yosemite, you pay a $35 entrance fee, and then you drive like 30 miles south if you're coming from the southern entrance. And yeah, this is the first view of the park I got. Just arrived here by Cascade Creek. After you get to the park, you're going to start driving like another 35. GPS won't show it. Okay, the park will provide a map of the national park, and from there you could head down to the waterfall. It's like another 40 minutes drive once you arrive to the park. I saw this waterfall on the way, so I had to pull over. Check this out. El Capitan will be after you finish the third tunnel. You'll see the El Capitan and this waterfall over there. And now we're here by this huge waterfall over there. Let's go. Valley Chapel. Right across from the chapel there is a waterfall. Like you can see a huge waterfall. Take a look. So this is the chapel from the back. Finally found some parking, and now I'm here in Yosemite Valley. Pretty nice. Good day today. It's not even that cold. Yeah, it's like 50 degrees outside, so yeah. And this is the village store.
Such a good deal. It's a nice, nice gift.
I want to get something to eat.
I don't know if it's
Sorry. So let's go. This is located in Yosemite Village. They call it the village store. I'm starving. I haven't ate anything, so I want to get me a sandwich or something. So I got some food from the Yosemite Lodge store. Yeah, there's a lot of people. The line was very long, but yeah, they got me a sandwich and some water. Now let's go over to the waterfall. I'll get as close as I can to it. I don't know if you guys can see it from here or not, but hold on. So yeah, when you get here to Yosemite, I would highly suggest coming here as early as possible because it can get really crowded really fast. Yeah, so when I got here today, it was very, very challenging to find parking anywhere. And now I'm in Yosemite Village. As you guys can already see right behind me, there's this waterfall, and yeah, I had to walk like 2 miles from the parking lot to get here. So yeah, and I'll get as close as I can to that waterfall. So let's go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.